Package day! Sterile liquid jars for liquid mycelium. And the guy threw in a free blue oyster grain spawn jar. And a petri dish from the same culture. What a legend! One jar got destroyed in shipping. International delivery hates me. Also, I'll never buy sterile liquid in jars again. Expensive. Not worth it. Lesson learned. The petri dish. Free. Blue oyster culture. Don't tell the customs officer. Guess where Uncle Ven is heading? To fill the humidifier. Of course. It's my entire personality now. Wait! I filled this 14 hours ago, and it's still half full. What did I do right? Maybe Uncle Ven had the wrong settings this whole time. Maybe I'm a genius. Probably not. CO2 is better than yesterday. Humidity, actually fine. Humidifier only drank a few liters, so either the tent is happy, or it's plotting something. Probably plotting. Red reishi, almost ready. Look at them, my beautiful, medicinal, absolute units. Come here, let me shake that hand of yours, my beautiful son. Look at him, such a firm handshake. He gets it from his dad. 2 more racks, currently holding my keys, because that's where I leave them. I'll assemble them, eventually, possibly never. So, Brunhilde. Brunhilde has betrayed me. She was losing pressure. From the meter hole, right there, you can see the rust. Rust. Around the hole. I'll fix her, but I'm noting this for the record. Brunhilde, what did you do? Time to use the free blue oyster spawn. I'm a lion's mane guy primarily, but I'm not letting a free jar go to waste. Free is free. Uncle Ven respects free. It's like a religion at this point. Shred time! Green plastic tool, straight into the jar, breaking up that compacted spawn. Because if you don't shred it, you're never getting it out. Trust me, I've tried. It will not come out! Shred or die. So, about Brunhilde. She was losing pressure, which means the water inside vaporized faster than it should have. Which means the substrate bags inside are probably melted and stuck to the sides. Melted! Look at them! Stuck to the pot. Fused to Brunhilde. She ate them. She actually ate them. Both bags. Both of them. And here's the lid. Right here. This is where the water escaped. You can see the path. It's almost beautiful, if it weren't so tragic. So, blue oyster goes back in the jar. Because I have no sterile substrate to put him in. Because Brunhilde. Sorry, little guy. You're an orphan now.